Hi, here we are midway through day 2 at DevEx Connect Manchester. I'm joined here by Georgina from Couchbase. Hello Georgina, welcome. Perhaps if we could start with, if you could tell us a bit about yourself, what you do at Couchbase, and maybe intro Couchbase a little for us, for people that don't know who you are.
Yes, absolutely. So I'm Georgina, I'm a solutions engineer here at Couchbase. I've been at Couchbase about two and a half years now. Based over in York. So Couchbase is a distributed NoSQL database. It's really strong when it comes to performance at scale, but many other factors, features and functionalities as well. One of the things that I've talked about here today is vector search and some of the ways that you can use it to build AI agents.
Right, okay, and actually that's interesting that we've got onto that straight away, because you ran a session, a very well attended session, may I add, at lunchtime today, bit of a lunch and learn lab, no spare seats in there, it was standing room only, so we think it went quite well. Talk to us a little bit about some of the subject matter of that and how you felt the session went and whether it was worthwhile for you.
Yeah, so the session was about building AI agents with Couchbase and NewShell. So we've got a repo that one of our developer advocates, Laurent, has worked on building that goes through how you can build an AI agent that responds to questions using the thought, action, observation pattern to pick an approach to answering the questions, go through the steps that need to be executed to give an accurate response. So we showed how you can build that and run it in the terminal using NewShell and using Couchbase to store the data about, for example, different Git repositories, and then query that using vector search, taking an embedding of the query, an embedding of the data within Couchbase, and finding the result based on a similarity search.
Excellent, thank you. So certainly very relevant for the developer community that we've managed to gather here today, so I can see why that was a popular session. You weren't just speaking though and running that session, obviously you guys have an exhibitor stand here as well. Every time I've walked past that's been quite busy, you've always been engaged and speaking to people, so how's that experience been, and I guess what are your sort of general comments maybe around the caliber of people here, the level, the conversations you guys have had? Has it been worthwhile?
Yeah, it's been some really great conversations during the session, some really good questions, and on the booth we've seen quite a range of different people and different roles that have come to speak to us. A lot of the questions have been very sort of technical. I think today there's been quite a focus on questions from developers about how you use Couchbase, what sort of use cases we support, the tools that Couchbase itself is built with, so quite a range of good technical questions.
Great, fantastic, we really like to hear that. So I guess, look, the big question, I have to ask it, we're on camera, I'll put you on the spot. If it was up to you, given the choice, would you guys work with us again at an event? We have others coming up in future?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, I think I've already been roped into speaking at another event in November, so looking forward to that. Yeah,
that's what we like to hear.
Good time and some great conversations.
Georgina, thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with us. We really appreciate it. Thanks.